so I have tried to draw my square pyramid, and you can see the lengths on the square are all 12. I've just put the front and the side in, and the height of this square pyramid is 8. Everything's in meters. And we want to find the angle between the slant edge. The slant edge, so I'm going to use, doesn't matter which one we use, but I'm going to use this one. Oops, no, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one. I was following the wrong edge. I'm going to use that one, that slant edge. So what angle does this make with the base? So the base, you can think of it as the bottom, the whole of the bottom. So I could be thinking across here. So that whole angle is what I'm interested in finding, and you can see if I take that dotted height down there, we're going to have another right angle. You just got to find the right angle triangles. So there's the right angle triangle. So you can see the opposite the angle is the height of 8, and adjacent to the angle we need to find that. So what we can do first is look in this base right angle triangle. Can you see the right angle? So it's going to be here in that corner, and we can find the hypotenuse. So how do we find the hypotenuse? So the hypotenuse square, I'll call it x squared, is 12 squared plus 12 squared. Alright, so when we do 12 squared plus 12 squared, we've got 2 lots of 12 squareds. So when we square root and just find x by itself, we're going to get 12 root 2's. Okay, and of course that'll be in meters. So that's all the way across. So you can see we only want the blue one, we only want halfway across. We only want to the center there of the circle. So we'll just halve that. So if you halve 12, you get 6. So half of that is going to be 6 root 2. So if I draw our blue one, now this is going to be 6 root 2. So the height is still 8. So if I'm interested in that angle there, I'm going to use tan. So tan of that angle, let's call it theta, is equal to opposite over adjacent. So if I inverse tan 8 on 6 root 2, I get theta. So that is going to be to the nearest minute, 43 degrees 19 minutes.